So the Port of Antwerp, a lot of containers are coming in, millions of containers every year. The chance is quite big that the coffee you drink in the morning has one day passed through the port here. Port business is not anymore about moving stuff. With the emerging technologies which are coming up, let's also how can I optimize my supply chain? How can I do that in a more sustainable way by using technology as an enabler? So the Port of Antwerp is the second largest port in Europe. It's about 120 square kilometers. The result is that the port today is 6 times the size of the city. So size matters because the ships are becoming bigger and deeper. The terminals became bigger and more efficient. Already today on the seagoing ships, there is already a lot of technology present, but what didn't happen is that the overall supply chain was optimized.
The most important processes in shipping are external processes which require a lot of collaboration. So when a big ship arrives here and all the trucks come here to pick up their import containers, literally more than 100 of containers have to be transferred to the truck drivers per hour. And you have, thanks to the capabilities of blockchain, a perfect track record. So you can see who has transferred at what particular moment. This creates a kind of micro ecosystem around one container.
It's important that the goods are tracked, that they are delivered on time. Certainly in these times of e-commerce, where fast delivery is crucial, we feel the pressure from customers that we have a very predictable delivery. So to keep an eye on that, we build our digital twin, where we connected different sensors. We connected the 500 cameras in the port, we connected our pipeline information. We brought together 12 different databases with financial information, GIS information, depth information. So bring in more sensors, bring in artificial intelligence, bring in machine vision.
So in a digital twin for the port, it's most important to have all the information of the waterways available. Then of course the companies that are using our ports and the ships that are transporting the cargo across the port. If we select a ship, we can see the last 3 hours of where that ship has been. This gives a really nice view of the depth situation, and it shows the ships in relation to the depth. By combining all these different data sources in one view, we have a super situational awareness of the whole port. I think we're ahead of many ports, and I think we're ahead of many cities as well.
One of the main drivers of success for the city of Antwerp is a collaboration between work we're doing in the city and the port. Because we know if we have a dumb city, we're never gonna have a smart port. Just like the port has a digital twin for all their port operations and logistical capabilities they're running in the port, we've created a digital twin for everything happening in the city. And we're using between 1,000 and 5,000 sensors. And this type of digital twin can actually help us make better decisions within the confines of, for example, mobility, air quality, noise pollution, and so on.
I think we are, since about 10 years, in a period of exponential growth of new technologies. By using drones, for instance, we can do fast interventions. By using machine vision, we can automate the inspection of our maritime infrastructure. I think smart is, of course, it doesn't mean that all the things which were done in the past were kind of dumb, but I think smart means that more technology is coming.
Shipping is a very old technology. Shipping was, and I stress the word, was certainly very conservative. A new generation of people who come now, people who have been raised with IT technologies, and they understand this is an opportunity for them.
I always say the port business is kind of untapped potential. I think we are just on the start of that, of bringing new technology into the business. And there's a huge potential.